everybody, we're back with another food review video, and in today's meal we are going to be reviewing the Addams family meal from Burger King. So in this meal is the Morticia's Cookie Chocolate Shake. That's a chocolate shake with cookie crumbles on top, purple and black cookie crumbles. I think it has chocolate syrup in it as well. The Gomez's churro fries. These sounded really, really good to me. They're little tiny churros.
Comes with chocolate dipping sauce.
Comes with some chocolate sauce there. Look at those good old churros in there. I'm most excited about that. We got the Wednesday's Whopper with cheese. That's going to be a Whopper on a purple potato bun. Pretty cool.
Comes from purple potatoes. It is not dyed.
And unfortunately, we were supposed to get Things Rings, but they made a mistake and gave us French fries. I'm like, what are you doing? Anyways, Talon got the kids meal with chicken. It's got a cool little bag. It says, "You rang." On the back, there's a little maze there.
Because I was so
and then you can get these cool crowns with the Addams family on them. Love it. Love the merchandising. Everything has its own little decoration. Wendy's. Wendy's. Who did not deliver on their SpongeBob packaging. Look at this. Even on the sides, you got little skulls and like a little scary scene. You got bats and trees and stuff like that. Really cool.
So we had to go to 2 different Burger Kings because first one, they were already sold out of the
all
Wednesday Whopper.
sold out. Nobody had it. I was like, no, I gotta go somewhere else.
Oh,
whoa, look at that Wednesday's Whopper. It's all purple.
Look at that.
Yeah, it's got that purple bun on there. Isn't that cool? Look at that. So pretty. I love purple. It's one of my favorite colors. You don't like it? It sounds like, ew.
No, who's doing that cat meme?
Oh. For the cat gags.
What did you get in yours? You got chicken in yours, huh?
Did you get chicken and fries in yours?
Let me see.
All right, diving right into this Wednesday's Whopper. See how it tastes.
Did they give me?
Oh, we got an Uncle Fester toy.
Chicken and fries.
Oh!
I think you don't have toys.
You got Uncle Fester. Show the camera.
He's like, let me take it out.
He's got to take it out of the packaging first.
I love Burger King's burgers. I love the charbroiled burgers.
The Whopper is delicious.
Yeah.
The bun, it tastes like thicker.
It is thicker.
You
It's
can
a
tell there's
potato
a
bun.
difference, yeah.
You can tell it's a potato bun.
Yeah, but I like it.
Mm-hmm.
I love potatoes.
Mommy, you get that part. I get this part. No,
Look,
no,
he's
no.
already out.
Rip this open.
You just want to rip it all the way apart.
No, Mom, you get that part. I get this part.
Okay, go. Oh, ripped right off of there, didn't it?
It'll come right out now. There you go. Look at that.
Okay, up next, I think we should try Morticia's chocolate shake before she totally melts, because it's a hot day here.
Oh, let me show the camera up close.
That's Uncle Fester that Talon got. Isn't that funny? Look at him, he's so cute. Uncle Fester was one of my favorite characters from the movies. Oh my gosh, he's so funny. But I would definitely say I love Morticia, love Wednesday, love Gomez was funny too.
I believe that Uncle Fester was the inspiration for Glue.
Probably.
I've had this theory for a long time because the long nose.
Okay, that's good, buddy. That's good, Talon. We're gonna show them our chocolate shake now. Okay, up next is the Morticia's Cookie Chocolate Shake. Let's get into it. Oh, I'm gonna get some of those cookie pieces in there. It's really good. It's really chocolatey. Oh, I love that deep chocolate flavor that they have.
What does he do? By the way?
It's really good. It's almost like a malt shake, kind of reminds me.
What does he even do?
It's good, right?
Yeah. No, that's delicious.
It's really good.
I don't know what he does. Look at how small that is.
Usually it's on the bag. Where'd you put the bag?
Just that plastic bag right there. That was all we got. Oh.
Yeah. Usually the bag shows.
Oh,
What it does.
you press it. Oh, you turn it on, and then And it's a flashlight that has bats.
Oh, cool. He's a flashlight. And he projects bats?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's cool. How can we show that to everyone?
Let me see. Let me see.
We can put it on this paper.
You turned it off already.
I didn't.
Oh, you have to turn it off. Oh, and then you have to press.
Look at that. You can see the bats on there. Isn't that cool, you guys? That's awesome.
Wait, let's make the bats
What a
go
cool
through
toy.
the maze. Wait, let's make the bats go through the maze. The bats.
Make the bats go through the maze. That's a good idea.
Huh.
Cute. I love that toy. That's a good one.
That's a good one. That shake is delicious.
It's delicious. I love it. I'd give that, what, like a 9 out of 10? Now let's get into Gomez's churro fries with the chocolate dipping sauce.
Don't mind me eating. I'm just hungry.
Oh, I like this. It's got a little compartment here for your dipping
Ooh,
sauce when you
that's
fold it out, and it says,
smart, Mom.
"Dipping in chocolate bewitches me." That's cute.
Mom, the bats are actually smart, Mom.
It's got spiders on the
Bats are
side and
actually
back.
being smart, Mom.
The bats are actually being smart.
Yeah.
All right, getting into the Gomez's churros with chocolate syrup.
Let me see here.
Go for it, go for it.
Just like Gomez.
Oh.
Pew,
I will feed my more
pew.
Oh my god.
Look at this. Pew, pew, pew.
That is so good, you guys.
Pew.
I'll feed you too. These are delicious.
Mm-hmm.
He's got to get that
It's
spider
exciting.
laser in 3D. Guys, these are so good. I'm giving these a 10 out of 10 right
Yeah.
now. These are so freaking good.
The bats are eating your sandwich.
Want to try a churro?
The bats are eating your sandwich.
Oh no, don't eat my sandwich, bats. I need that. They're creepy and they're kooky. I love the Addams Family, man, those movies. By the way, ookie, which is in the song, is actually a word. I Googled it. I think it just means unpleasant or like sticky or something like that. I thought that was funny that it's an actual word. It sounds like something they just made up for part of the song.
No, we didn't get the rings. That was
The bats are on me.
that was their fault.
Yeah.
Hey, the bats.
This is a delicious meal.
Hey, the bats
But
are
we all
friendly.
know what onion rings from Burger King taste like, and that's amazing.
The bats are friendly.
Oh, they're friendly little bats.
Yeah.
I'd
Hold
give
them
this
in your little hand.
a 9 out of 10.
I give it a 9 out of 10, yeah, all day. This meal is delicious. Love the burger, love the shake. Really love these churros with the chocolate sauce. These are absolutely amazing. If you don't get anything else, definitely go by and get these.
Burger King, you did an amazing job with your merchandising.
Yeah, you did. They
the bats are
nailed
big
it.
now.
Hit it out of the park. I loved it.
The bats are big now.
Whoa. Oh, and they're happy bats. This is that part on Bob's Burgers. She's like,
Wait, they're
oh,
getting
they're
smaller.
happy. It's their favorite holiday.
Hey, Mom, keep watching.
Linda from
Oh,
Bob's Burgers.
They're getting smaller. They're getting smaller and
Oh,
smaller.
where'd they go?
You guys gotta go out and get this meal.
They
It's
saw.
selling out fast.
Did this-
Like we
Yeah,
told you
it's
already.
selling like hotcakes. Go out
It
and
came
get you
out this
one while you
morning,
got
and
some.
one of the Burger Kings is already sold out.
Yeah.
So go out. and
Really
get it.
good. This one's a home run. You guys must go out and get. It's really, really good. You got to try it, even just for the fun.
Kids get their just Happy Meal.
Yeah, kids get the Happy Meal like they should have with SpongeBob. I still feel like they got gypped on that one. You should have had a SpongeBob kids meal with a toy. I mean, come on. Or at least a collector's cup. Something.
Yeah.
A bag, anything. Wrapping, something.
But yeah, great. 9 out of 10. Recommended.
9 out of 10, yeah. All right, you guys, we'll catch you guys on the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe and click that
Mom.
notifications bell.
Mom, it's running out.
Oh no, we'll have to put another battery in there, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we'll see you guys on the next Mad Munchies. Bye, YouTube. Bye.
Bye. When you know it, but vacation's bell.
Turn it
You're so goofy.
And...